This is especially for the grade 9 general mathematics exercise 5.1. I will solve question 3 and 4 and students can solve 5 to 13. At first, solutions of the question number 3, and the question is 4 by 2x plus 1 plus 5 by thrice x plus 2 is equal to 25 by 5x plus 4. The technique that I have already marked with the green ink, but the students, for their understanding, I explained the total problems. At first, they have to divide 4 by 2 of the left hand side, the first fraction, and the students can get 2, and 2 5s are 10, and this 5 is coming from the denominator of the right hand side, and students can get 5x plus 4. Then they have to divide 9, and it is pointed out very clearly, and they have to divide 9 by 3, and they are getting 3, and this 3 is multiplied with 5, and students are getting 15 by 5x plus 4. Such a way 25 is divided. This technique they have to apply, especially in this problem. Then they have to change the side according to the odd numbers and even numbers. Then they have the calculation, and the calculation is basically multiplication, and they knows very well the similar terms they have to omit from the both sides, and 20x minus 20x and 45x minus 45x from the right hand side, they have to cut it down, and after calculation they are getting 6 by 2x plus 1 is equal to minus 6 by 2x plus 2. Then they have to do the cross multiplication, then x items one side and another side x without x items, and finally they are getting 5x is equal to minus 3, and they are getting x is equal to minus 3 by 5, and this is the answer of this question. So students feel any problems, then they can contact with me personally. If they cannot understand my lecture, then they have to inform it to me, and the side note they have to write it down wherever necessary. As I have already written, multiply by 5x plus 4 both sides, dividing 6 on both sides by cross multiplication. These are the side notes. So students, please try to do the similar maths 5, 12 and 13, and 13 problems is likely of the problems 4. So I'm just turning the page, and you will get the question number 4, 1 by x plus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 is equal to 1 by x plus 2 plus 1 by x plus 3. Here in the green ink, I have tried to make you understand the technique that you have to change the side. 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 2 is equal to 1 by x plus 3 minus 1 by x plus 4. So you have to change according to 2 and plus 1, 3, 4. Students may ask me, if I keep 1 by x plus 2 minus 1 by x plus 4 and 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 3, yes, it is also can be done. So like before, students may do the calculation, then similar items they are cutting from the both sides and they are doing the multiplication and they are getting these items, and after doing the calculation they have cross multiplication. X square plus 7x plus 12 is equal to x square plus thrice x plus 2, and the x items I have written in one side and without x items from the another side. Then you are getting 4x is equal to minus 10, then x is equal to minus 10 by 4, that is 5 by 2, and finally you are getting the answer of the question, that is x is equal to minus 5 by 2. Answer you can write like this the way, and this is the question number 4. Similar way you can solve 5, 12, 13.